गोयच्या शिपयार्डान भारताच्या दर्यावयल्या दायजाक परतून जीवित दिवपाचो प्रकल्प पुरस्कृत केलो। 9 कोटी रुपया खर्चाचो हो प्रकल्प पुराय जावपाक 22 म्हयने लागतले असो अदमास आसा। तयार जातकच हे तारवटी भारतीय नौदलाच्या 13 वांगड्या सयत नोव्हेंबर 2025 वर्सा भारतांतल्यान इंडोनेशियाक वचपाची शक्यताय आसा। पळयात। होडी इनोव्हेशन्स प्रायव्हेट लिमिटेड हे जहाज बांधणी कंपनी कडल्यान दिवार जुळ्याचेर आशिल्ल्या जहाज बांधकाम कंपनीक संस्कृती मंत्रालय, भारत सरकार आणि भारतीय नौदलान पुरविल्ले शिविल्ले पालवी जहाज बांधपाचो प्रकल्प फावो जाला। भारताचे पुरविल्ले दर्यावेल्ले दायज परतून जीवित करपाच्या हेतान हे एक पावल उबारला। पळयात।
The very fact that we have the government, the armed forces, the academia, the shipyard, industry, artisans, all converging here today is testimony to a shared dream of propelling India to its rightful place. And for that to happen, our youth must be galvanized towards a national cause. Young Indians should be more conscious, curious and confident of our cultural and civilizational past. So it is our duty to connect the present with the past to usher in a vibrant and aspirational tomorrow. So I would like to assure you that the Indian Navy is very clear about this responsibility. We have initiated a number of measures to shed colonial vestiges and reconnect with our civilization values. Our new ensign, the naval ensign, is a prime example. Since independence, the naval ensign almost always carried the colonial St. George's cross. It simply had to go, and on the 2nd of September last year, we had changed over to the new naval ensign. We had sought ideas for the design of the new ensign and received enthusiastic response from far and wide across the naval hierarchy as well. And the result was a new ensign which is inspired by Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj's Raj Mudra, reminding us of his wise adage, Jalameva Yasya, Kalameva Tasya, or one who controls the seas is all powerful.
Interesting fact which I am going to show off today is about Vasco da Gama. The diary of Vasco da Gama itself, which is lying in one of the British museums, and one of our own Padma Shri Vishnu Sridhar, Dr. found this book when he went as a student to Britain, and he studied there and he found this diary. In the diary, Vasco da Gama mentions that how he reached Zanzibar, which is Africa, and through a translator, he asked him that I want to go to India, and he sees a ship which is 3 times the size of his own ship. And this translator takes him to this gentleman called Chandan, who's the owner of the ship, sitting on a cot in a very non-assumed ways. And he says, what is it? He says, I want to go to India. So he says, I'm traveling tomorrow, you can follow me. And the job he used to do was to carry pine wood and teakwood to Africa and take the diamonds back, including spices is what he used to trade in, and take the diamonds from Africa to India. That's the job he used to do. Now this detailing, I would want, and I'm asking Mr. Sadyal to do this work for me, if we can get a copy of Vasco da Gama's diary, Festus Mine or whatever, we should have that copy, because it's a piece of history which today, as the time goes by, we'll end up losing so much of history, but as a part of documentation and also part of historical facts and claiming our own heritage, we should have that.
Today we gather not only to witness the birth of a vessel, but to celebrate the revival of age-old traditions, craftsmanship and the enduring legacy of our Indian heritage. Your presence here today is a testament to the importance of this project and its place in the broader maritime community. We are deeply honored to have you all with us as we embark on this remarkable journey.
गोवा 365 खातीर डिलन रॉड्रिगीस, मनीषा जाधव आणि निखिल जल्मी.